Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for Horizon Forbidden West. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize your control settings for this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Horizon Forbidden West on your device, and you may directly go into the settings from the home page, or you can pause your game and then go into settings as well. Now, from the settings page, you can navigate either into the gamepad or the mouse and keyboard options. For the gamepad settings, you can go into button layout and customization, and here you can switch between various different control modes. You also have the controller preset settings, where you can set it to alternative, left-handed, or you can even customize by yourself. Press the X button to customize your preset, and you can redefine all of your buttons. If you go into the mouse and keyboard setting, and then click on mouse and keyboard remapping, you will find all of the buttons that have been assigned for your keyboard and mouse. You can assign up to 2 buttons for the same task. So if you want to assign a secondary button, just click on the blank space, and once you see the indicator, you can press your desired button. You can also click on the already assigned button, and once you see the similar indicator, you can press your desired button once again to set it as your new control. Make sure to save your changes once you are done, and now you can play using your customized settings. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Horizon Forbidden West game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.